have very fine art here from Uganda. Paula Kiki from Uganda is my mentor.
The mama does it. Everyone else at home can do it. Yeah, and it can become a big company.
Personally, I'd like to see a lot more Kenyans also walking here to buy art.
Africa, one love.
Happy African Day from Dolphin 254. Today I'm super excited. I'm in the streets of Nairobi and I'm headed all the way to Village Market. By the way, there's an African Day festival event going down there. So I'm gonna be documenting everything for you. If you get a chance to watch this video today, make sure you go to Village Market tomorrow on a Sunday and experience this for yourself. This is how I'm dressed for today, guys. I'm rocking my African attire. So come along with us, let's do this together. If you're here for the very first time, you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Basically, this is all about this festival. You see? African Day Festival. It will be happening on Saturday 25th May to Sunday 26th May, 10 a.m. till late. We just entered. So there's a lot of activities happening here. You see, this is a crocheted one. Hi, how are you?
And you?
I'm good. I really love this. You did it yourself?
Yes.
Wow, you are so talented.
Thank you.
So basically this is what you do. Exactly. Where can people find you?
Crochet Hub, it is. That's the Crochet Hub over there. That's my page.
How did you start your crochet hub?
All right. My names are Ocharo Mary. What really inspired me to start crochet? My grandma used to do this. So as I was growing up, I loved artwork. And I found myself in crochet. Initially, I was like, I need those women, especially women in the slums.
Yeah,
apart from, to empower these women. And apart from the therapy that it comes with, this crochet, the women in the slums, they can do it. This is a work that can be done with anyone who have not even gone to school, they can do it. Yes, and just need to teach them and then they're good to go. Get my point? So if the government can provide me with the materials, I go to the slums and teach these women how to do this work. And then they can come up with very good, beautiful stuff. Other than just what I am doing, they can slot in so many things out of Uzi.
Are you going to do it free of charge in case you get the materials?
Yeah, in case I get the material, I'll do it free of charge. I'll teach them free of charge.
Yeah, as a way of empowering.
Yes, as a way of empowering them. And just apart from that, we'll have a discussion. Of course, we'll talk about the challenges that we are going through and how this crochet can improve their lives. You see, it can be a good business, a good idea, and a good venture also.
Oh, bye-bye. So apart from that, we also have these beautiful pieces, guys. So I'll just be showing you everything that is being sold. Hello, how are you?
You're missing out on a lot of art. And personally, I'd like to see a lot more Kenyans also walking here to buy art. Let's change some of these stereotypes. Yeah. No. Actually, this is the artist.
My hobby.
Yes.
That is my hobby. Yes.
Oh my God. I really love your artwork.
Thank you.
Wow.
I cross stitch.
Your name is Esther.
Esther, yes.
Oh, Esther's collection.
Yeah.
Please, if you come to Village Market, make sure you come and promote Esther's collection.
Yeah.
The lion. And then up there's a giraffe.
Giraffe. Okay. Thank you.
Make sure you come promote Esther's collection.
Yes, and we have also our little trinkets. This, if you're Luo, you know what this means, Opato.
Ah, but you see? some of the things you'll get here when you come. Oh, sorry. The t-shirts are also yours? How much? Huh? 1,500. Wow. Nairobi. So you can see the theme here today is all African. You see the setup, everything. We will be also have a live band here, basically playing African music. Let me just talk to them. Hello.
Hello, hi.
How are you?
Good.
Should we expect some live band here later? In the next few minutes?
Yes.
Okay, okay. What? Africa, one love. What? Hello.
I'm Victor, Victor David Winners, and I'm an art dealer and a painter as well, an artist. Yeah, so I have very fine art here from Uganda. This is called Love Buds.
Love bad.
Yeah, it's an abstract painting. Our inspiration is Vincent van Gogh. Paul Akiki from Uganda is my mentor. Yeah, so our inspiration is nature, the sun especially.
Yes, I can see a beautiful sunset. Is this a
yes,
sunset?
yeah, that's a sunset.
Yes.
And two people standing there.
Yeah.
I can tell you about this. You know, the story behind this. You know, two people standing together and looking forward into a brighter future. It's called solidarity.
Wow.
Together we move forward.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, same theme as that. And that's
that
just
one?
appreciating the African culture. Or just a sec. Yeah, ciao, ciao. Thank you very much. Yeah, just appreciating the African woman. Yeah.
Such a lovely one.
It is?
The curvy women.
Yeah, the Kavi women,
Yes.
true. What do you see in it?
I see beauty.
You see beauty?
Yes, natural
Yeah.
beauty.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm here with my partner, Betty. She's busy, but she does the
The glass.
customized glassworks. Yeah, yeah. Commissioned good for housing, you know, finishing.
Yes, I
Yeah,
see.
yeah. Yeah, even this one right here. Yeah.
Wow.
Come, let me take you around. So my family is a family of artists. So this is actually my uncle.
Oh.
He's called Lance, and his inspiration is the coastal. Yeah, this is Diani actually, the white sand beach, blue waters, and here, right here,
And
Lamu. That's Lamu. Yeah.
those and the architecture of
Yeah.
Lamu.
Yes.
Yeah.
Honor.
Sawa,
And thank you very much for your time.
Sawa.
Yeah.
Tell people something. Where can they find you in case they want to do it online?
Okay, well, you can shoot me a DM on Victor Success Winners on Instagram.
Okay.
My number is 254-738-3383. Yeah, that's my business number. Fine.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Ciao, ciao.
So we have our Masai brothers here. There we go, guys. This is so interesting. Ooh, you see how they're jumping. Hey. Wow. Oh, there's this part where the African, you see, this is a typical African house. You see, the roof, the lamp, and everything. So apart from this, we have some traditional dancers.